everyone, I wish you are in a good health and happy and safe, and you are spending amazing time with your family and friend. And I just want to say to you, I wish you are in a good health and happy and safe, and you are having the best moment in your life, of course. Today, inshallah, I want to talk about family. Why I want to talk about family, and what is like family, family can help us to achieve our dream. Is like, if we have a good relationship with our family, we can be better people. Absolutely yes. And in some case no, but like often yes, it's help us like to have a good family, to have a good version of ourselves, not good family, sorry, good version of ourselves. And to also family help us also. If we have support of family, it's help us a lot to achieve a lot of things in our life. So a lot of people say, if you have a toxic family, you should not stay there, you should go away, and a lot of things. So yeah, if your family toxic, like it's your family not helping you, or there is problem in your family. But firstly, in every family there is problem. In every family, there is no family in this world, no family told you, oh my god, we are happy. No, no. This is like problem that's make life or more better, and make us strong. Like it's not only in family. We have in another relationship, between our friends, between our husband, between a lot of things. So in a married life, not between husbands, but in also married life, people that get married, they face problem. But you know what makes them strong? That they can face that problem and come out of this situation in a more strong relationship. So I think that's the most powerful thing is this word. If you can handle the problem in also your family, because now I can see there is no more like this kind of relationship between families. Like I want to say, like between brothers, between sister, between also parents. Now it's become like a son, if he gets married, or a daughter, if she forget her family. And also the same thing about him. Okay, he will not forget, of course he will not forget his parent, but he's like his brother and her sister, he forgot at all. He doesn't ask, okay, I am married now, I have my own family. And that's right, you have your own family. They have right on you. And the same thing about your brother and sister, and also about the girl, it's the same thing. So I think if we can save the problem, because family is the place that give you strength and give you courage to do things, and it supports you. So if any problem happen, like small problem now can destroy families. Now everyone, okay, there is problem, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care, and everyone they're going their own way, no one cares. And that's how relationship end. That's how relationship end, like totally. Like for me, I think if we have, like, we can solve our problem with our friends. So sometime I have like, there is some people that told, oh my god, I prefer my friend rather than my brother, or rather than my sister. Oh my god. Okay, so do you treat your brother or your sister like you treat your friend? That's the right question. Do you treat them the same way? That okay, with your friend, do you be like comfortable, you speak with them, you try the same thing with your brother and your sister, and you will realize that not the problem on your brother or your sister. It's just you don't give them that right to treat you in a good way. Not all brother and sister, of course, they deserve, but most of them, like your sister. Okay, your sister, you fight your sister, like I'm talking about girls. If you have a sister, you fight with her all the time, she take your clothes, you do the same thing to her, and this thing and this thing. And sometimes you will find that the secret that you told your friend, you never told your sister. So why you don't like take a risk and take your sister, your best friend, as your best friend, as your best friend, and treat her like a sister, like a friend, everything for you. So you will see that you don't need any more friends. So by the way, I am not against friendship, not at all. I see some people, they are prefer people outside than their family, their own family. And let's not talk about let's not talk about if your brother or sister or your parents or your own family are toxic for you. That's another topic. We will not talk about that, because if it's not only your family, every person is toxic for you, you should run away from him, because you will make yourself tired, and you will have mental issue problem, and you will destroy your life by yourself. So no, I am talking that if you have a good brother and sister, and I think every brother and sister are good. Okay, maybe you will fight with your brother most of the time, or your sister, but in the difficult time, the first people will stand up with you in that problem is your own family. Okay, and if you do something bad, if you did a mistake, family stand up with you in this and try to make you happy and try to tell you, I am here, don't worry, we will move, we will pass this situation, and you will be fine, totally fine. So that's what I want to say. Please, because right now that's what I am seeing, that not I am talking without seeing it, without I see people, their brother and their sister are really wonderful people, but he or her they like other people, outside people. Like her sister, she want to talk with her, but she doesn't give her time. Or okay, your brother want to talk to you, but he doesn't find time. You're always busy with other people, with your friend, and sometimes it's hard, especially if you are like just two sister, and sometimes you bring your friend, and when you are talking with each other and you told her, oh my god, you like this thing, I know this thing, your sister, she will feel, oh my god, I am her own sister, I am her blood, but I don't know this thing. So please, just don't let problem, or don't let your brother and your sister feel like that. In our family, like the first thing, if I get good news or a bad news, it doesn't matter, the first thing I will tell my sisters or my brothers. Okay, brothers a little bit, not all of the thing, but because there is respect between brothers and sister in our culture. So but I speak with him, I give him time, we are like so close to each other, we are like tighty family. I don't know if I pronounce it right or not. So we are, so most of time or all the time, everyone know the secret about other one. Like for my sister, she can talk to her friend, and if she talk to her this thing, I already know all this thing, and our relationship is amazing. Like if we go outside, if no one there to talk to me, she come, she doesn't leave me alone. Also, she is talking to her friend, and she saw me like there's no one, she told me, yeah, come here, or she will come to me with her friend. So, and if we have problem, if we fight, okay, because it's a normal thing that you fight with your sister, it's a normal thing. So or with your brother, we don't lead this fighting for a long time. It's just like, oh my god, we don't say sorry to each other. By the way, we don't have this kind of thing in our family. We don't say often sorry. I just grab her, and I told her something funny. So do you know this thing? And we start talking. Like, we don't give shit to what is the problem or what happened, why we fight. We don't give shit. And if we have in our family problem, if I have problem, or if my own sister have problem, or my brother, the first thing also they will tell is me, or other my sister. We told each other. And if we need help, also we tell each other. So that's why. So I will not talk about parents, because parent, you should keep always your relationship with your parent. If also they bad, listen to me, you can go away from them, yes, you can do, but don't let them, because in a period time, they take care, about you. So please, like, if they being rude to you, just be nice for them, because I think we should not treat people as they treat us, especially your own family. Don't do that, don't do that, because you are the winner in this case. You are the winner, believe me. You can, by your kindness, by your like action, you can change, as you can change somebody, you can change their behavior, you can change how they are treat you. They can see you like example of a nice person, that, oh, okay, maybe they did to you a lot of things, a lot of bad things, but in a time, because we know, like, if you go away from your family, you will, every time you will miss them. Okay, I don't know, it's just like I'm speaking in my point of view, like I will miss my family, like if also there's problem, I miss them, and every second, I miss them, like I miss to talk to them, I miss to tell them what happened with me, what is going on. So yeah, that's it. So I think you should all the time come back to your family, and like, if you have problem, that once in a month, once, or your mother, especially your mother. We will not talk about mother, because please, no one should leave his mother or his father. Not only mother, also his father. So please, just like keep that relationship with your family. You will go, you will get married, you will have kids, but this relationship that you have with your own family, just keep it, because when your son, your child, your kids see the thing, how you treat your parents, your parent, and your brother, sister, your siblings, they will do the same thing to you. If they grow up, they will still ask about you, they will come, you will spend time together. So yeah, it's not only good for you, it's also good for your sons, for your child. So that's what. And if you have problem with them, please just like try to talk to them, because most problem happening because there is misunderstanding in both sides. And if you don't talk, and if you let like the things is like that, you should speak, you should speak and to tell, yeah, this thing, you will solve the problem. But if you are in if you go and other people didn't also see you or talking to you, the problem will still. Just try to speak, because it's your own family. If you sacrifice a little bit, it doesn't matter, it's your own family. Just sacrifice a little bit, and if there is problem or if there is anything, your family needs you, just be there for them, be there for them. And of course, one time also they be for you, they will be for you, they will stand up for you, because you can go anywhere, you can make other relationship, but relationship that that we have, like, in family, that's special thing. It's a special thing, and you will realize that when you have like your kids, you will realize, oh my god, yeah, that's that's how that's that's how my parents feel, or that's how my or when you see, because parents, like if parents see their siblings are not talking to each other or don't care about each other, and everyone have their own life and they don't ask about each other, you will, if you become like a father or a mother, you will realize, oh my god, yeah, that's how like my father, or how that's how my parents feel then. So just like that's what I want to say. Please, like, if you wanna, like, that's also help you, that's not only help you in your personality, also in your career, because you have your family with you, that's give you a lot of strength to do amazing thing and to improve yourself. And yeah, I think it's the most precious thing in life, that you have a good relationship with your family and help family. And most of people that I see now, like famous, also famous people on cinema, they have a nice relationship with their own family, and you can see them, they are really happy because they have their own family. So please, like, start like giving importance to your relationship in your family, your sister, your siblings, your parents, your grandmother, your grandfather, your cousin. Just like try to have a good relationship with them. Don't ignore them. Don't leave them. Just like, if you wanna also to have your own family, ask. You should, the simple thing that you can do, ask, call them. Hi, my father, how are you? My mother, how are you? My sister, are you okay? Do you need something? Do you need something? Okay, I am here for you. If you need something, just call me. That will be the most nice thing, because you also make your siblings feel, oh my god, there is someone, there is my old brother or my young brother or my old sister or my young sister is there for me. I will not afraid. Wallah, if I am sometime, for me sometime, in my work I get stressed because there is something, and something I didn't do it good. But when my sister called me and told me, I told her this is the problem, and she told me, okay, you don't worry, just like calm down, you will do it next time better, or you did all your best. So I feel, oh my god, or my brother, oh my god, she was right. I feel comfortable. I feel there's someone believe on me, someone be with me in my sadness time and my happiness time. So that's what I want to say. Please keep that relationship, like, in your life. It's because it's helping you a lot. So, and I see, like, it's really beautiful when I see, like, people get succeed, and the first thing that they do in their life, they buy things to their parents, and take care about their parent and sibling. So I'm really happy when I find this kind of thing in social media. It's helped me. But when I see, like, there is problem happening between siblings, and they didn't talk for 15 years or more than that, and they start shoot each other, that's really annoying me, and I think it's annoying everyone. So because relationship is like a really important for every human being. So if you have a good relationship with your family, that's amazing thing that you have in your life. So that's what I want to say. If you have any anything to say, or if you don't agree with me, or if you agree with me, just let me know. Write it in comment section. And really, if you like this video, just subscribe to my channel and put like, and inshallah see you later in another video. And don't worry, and don't forget, keep your family happy, and also keep yourself happy, and be in a good health, and if you can, help other people. So thank you so much for watching my video, and see you next time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.